Hi, this is Audrey with the Lisa Sisko Team of Keller Realty. We want to spend some time today talking about the hot topic that is spring cleaning. So stick around where we'll discuss our favorite tools and products for cleaning your home.
Hi, this is Jamie with the Lisa Sisko Team of Keller Realty. Today I'm going to share with you a few of my favorite cleaning supplies. Number one.
Thanks, Mom. I love doing this every day.
One of my favorite cleaning tools is the Swiffer duster. I love how much it will gather up all the dust on the surface and also hold on to it.
One of my favorite products, cleaning products, is Clorox wipes or another brand. But before I go to work, I just do a quick wipe down of the counters. Wipe everything down real quick. Takes just a couple seconds. And then I throw it in the garbage and we're all clean, ready for the day.
Cleaning supply number two.
I love folding laundry, Mom.
One of my favorite products to use is one that I make myself, and that's Vinegar Water. It is a really good eco-friendly surface cleaner. I love it for countertops and also for getting squeaky clean windows.
Hi, this is Lisa Sisko, and my incredible cleaning tip is the Pet Wedge. Here is the product itself actually out, and here it is in its package. And what it does is there's a sharp edge. It feels a little bit like polyesterish, but you can get in the corner of couches and cushions, and it comes off so incredibly. And then down in the corners, you can lift and get things out. You can get it off of your clothes and off of coats. It really comes off of anything. So Pet Wedge is my big cleaning tip.
And cleaning supply number three.
So while you work, da-da-da-da, whistle while you work.
One of my other favorite tools is the Bounty paper towel. I know it may seem a bit mundane, but I love Bounty paper towels for cleaning up greasy spills on the stovetop or even just using it to scrub a dish.
One of my favorite cleaning tools is the Scrub Daddy, and I have no idea who makes it, but they come just like this, and it's a smiley little guy, and I use it for cleaning up all of our Sunday breakfast. It takes all the little bacon crumbs and grossness off of your pans. And my second favorite cleaning product is the magic erasers. These are perfect for anyone with kids with little fingerprints, crayons, markers. They take it all off.
And last but not least. Good boy, Lucky.
We hope you enjoyed our video today and got a good idea of what new products and tools you can use in your home. In order to make this even more fun, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below what your favorite products are. Until next time, this is Audrey with the Lisa Sisko Team of Keller Williams.